Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Rod's channel. As of now, I mean, that's the only name I could really think of. But we got Randy. And what are we going to work on today, Randy?
Well, we're going to go ahead and change the lights, the back
On
light,
what?
on my Camaro Zl1.
What year is this?
It's a 2018.
2018. So I'm going to show you guys what lights we're going to be working with. We're going to just be working with these little ones down here. So I don't know if you can see how they're kind of like the, what is it called? Halogen, I think they call them. I'm really thinking, like a car this expensive should not have these kind of lights. So we went ahead
and purchased some LED lights off
So we
of Amazon.
purchased these ones off Amazon. But we did get a bunch of them, so that's good. We're only going to be using 2 of them. So I'll put the link down below for you guys just in case anybody out there. I think this should work on the 2017, 18. I'm pretty confident it'll work on all of them, but just in case.
If you want an explanation about future models I'm doing in this car, they'll be on my channel. And also to add on to that, if you want an explanation on why I picked the 2018 over all the other years, I'll also put that on my channel as well.
So this is kind of like how the lights look right here. So I'm going to show you
the before and after.
I learned. Yeah, I'll show you like in the process. I mean, you guys would be watching me kind of doing it. This should be pretty simple. So what I heard, so I don't know if you can see over here. So what people are saying is you just take a screwdriver and then just slowly put it in here to bring this down. So let's put this down here. Put the screwdriver. I think it's in, right? In or out? I think it's in.
Just be careful there.
Is it through here though, or is it the other way?
I believe it was in.
In through.
Just be careful. I'll snap those. There you go. There you go. It should just slip right off. That was pretty easy.
You just turn this one here a little bit, and then this comes off just like that. So this is kind of how the light looks. So if you do put the lights in for some reason and they do not work, you just have to turn it the other way. So these should pull right out. Put this one down here. Put the new one in here.
These are the same lights. These ones right here, the stock ones, are the same exact lights that'll go on the LED side or the regular side markers.
Unlock it.
And
beautiful. Yeah. Alrighty, so I'll put this back on.
I'll close that so we can show the reveal of that side. But yeah, like I was saying, those side markers are gonna be the same way. And I know that changing my buddy's side markers to the LED ones, those lights are sometimes really hard to take off. So I realized that you can either use like any tape in general.
Turn off your light. Then unlock it.
Yeah, it looks a lot better.
So this is how it looks. With the one side on, so you can see from here and from here. So I mean, honestly, when you're buying an expensive car like this, I think this car like MSRP was like $70,000. I really like, you would expect them to have like lights like this, but we're probably gonna end up changing these a little bit later down the line too, because I'm not really a big fan of these. I just heard that these are a little bit more complex, as well as adding a couple other things to the car. But let's go ahead and change the other side for you guys real quick.
Put the light on. But yeah, so you can just go on ahead and
Just be careful. There's a bug right there. Sorry, bug.
you can go ahead and wrap the tape on the light, and it'll be really easy to take off. If we're changing the side markers, possibly later tonight, I'll go ahead and show you guys them for sure.
You want to be careful not to scratch the car, because you do have to push on this tab here. This one, let me see. My bad, I don't know why it kind of cut off. So, but it's this tab right here, which is pushing against the car itself, like right up here. And Randy really doesn't like things happening to his car. So that's why we're being extra careful. But you just take this out, you can pull it out a little bit, don't pull too much so you don't rip the wires. It just turns like that, yeah, twists. And then slowly just take it off. As you pull the light out, you just pull it out. So be careful. Sometimes if the car is on, the light will be hot. So just be careful with that. Take it out like that. Let me show you guys something right here. So This is the stock bulb that comes with the car. And then these are the lights that we're putting on. So I always recommend before ever like putting something together, just make sure it's on right. So let's put this on, make sure it's working. All right. Perfect. Beautiful. So when you put it back, you just put this in. Should just align any minute now and lock in. Let's see. Just like that. And then just another turn. Make sure it's on. And then should go right. So that way. Something like this. Should go right in. Just like that.
I'm ready.
Perfect.
It looks a lot better.
So,
definitely.
I mean, for how much did these cost you? Like 10, 15 bucks, something like that?
I think it was like $10 for 10.
So you can't go wrong. I mean, look, you just watched us do the whole process. I think it took a couple minutes.
And you can buy them off of Amazon. We can put the link in the description for you guys.
Look how much nicer. So, I mean, we are not affiliated with this company or anything at all.
Definitely just bought them.
We just thought to make the car a little bit nicer. I mean, sooner or later, I'm going to show you guys my truck, my Tacoma back there. And my truck has full LEDs that I did also buy and install. It's a pretty easy process, and it makes the car just look a lot newer and nicer. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to watch the other videos. We're probably going to be working on some other things on the car tonight, and then I'll just update you guys. I'm pretty sure the other ones are going to take a little bit longer, so I'll just show you little clips and little details on how to do it since we've already done it to one car before. And yeah, if you have any questions, just let us know. Comment below. Subscribe. Thanks, guys.